Gold and silver traded with a modest bullish bias for the day. We are seeing 2032 levels and 2320 levels, giving both the metals a good resistance here. Yes, these levels we have discussed so many times in my previous updates: 2030-32 zone for gold and 2320-2330 zone for silver. Now, what to expect today from gold and silver? How to profit? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. If you're new to the channel, subscribe and press the bell icon to get the latest updates. I do release twice a day updates for major global markets and commodities. Let's start first gold followed with silver. Watch till the end. And if you have not joined the channel memberships, do join the channel memberships and support the effort. Let's start on the early charts. Look at the wave gold is creating here. Rise, then retracement towards 20 period. Rise, then retracement towards 20 period. And right now what it is, see, this is a reversal sign. And after the reversal sign, it is giving lower highs and then first red candle. So there is a possibility that it can move towards lower lows as well. Now, where is the support? 2024 zone is first support level, and below that 2018-2020 is going to be the next support level here. We have an event here, that is FOMC minutes release, and that will bring volatility in the metals prices later in the day. Thus, you should be trading with caution till then. Moving averages here are trading with divergence and bullishness. Stochastic, after hitting bottom here, looking upwards, trying to rise. MACD is divergent and it is bearish. It is looking downwards on the early charts. Also, one must look at rise, consolidation, and a reversal here can bring another bullish wave. RSI looking downwards, trying to stay bearish. Coming to 2 hour, look at 2 hour charts. Similarly, here on the 2 hour charts as well, we can find out higher lows, higher highs getting created. We can wait for 2024 levels, should be a good support for it on the downside. The stochastic looking downwards. MACD is divergent here. It is trading with only second candle, red candle here. Possibly it could diverge more. Now we have to wait for it to yield a bigger red candle, that is a follow-up candle, which will make it diverge and then it will continue on the downside. As of now, it is right now trading almost flat. RSI almost flat near to the top. Coming to 3 hour, likewise on the 3 hour charts, first support, second support, third support. Look at the support levels here: 1415, then 1820, then 2425, and it is likewise yielding higher bases here, which is creating a platform for it to rise. But it has to break beyond 2032 levels in order to confirm further bullishness. Stochastic flat. MACD, now see, MACD is on the verge of a crossover, and this crossover is going to be a bearish one. See, it has retraced strongly, it is flattened here, converged here. Wait for a crossover and couple of red candles, and that will lead to the path of a drop, else it is still staying bullish. RSI near to top. Coming to 4 hour, on the 4 hour charts, one another important observation here is the crossover between the 20 and 50 period moving average. That is also a bullish crossover, and 20 and 100 are also about to crossover. So yes, moving averages are now looking upwards, signs of bullishness. At the same time, higher lows here and higher highs here, trying to trade in this channel here. So now very clear. Even if you are selling at 2024, remember it is a bit riskier. As long as 2014 levels are not breached on the downside, it is to be treated bearish only if 2014 is breached on the downside. Stochastic rising. MACD is still in green, trying to converge a bit. It has not yet crossed over, but it appears that it has seen a good rise, so it should cross over, but not showing any major signs as of now. RSI looking downwards. Coming to daily. Before we look into daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, be a part of my 29th mentorship batch commencing on 4th of March. Register yourself now. Reach out to me for more details. Or if you just want to trade as per the signals, you can be part of my premium channel on Telegram. Again, write an email or ping me on Telegram for details related to the mentorship batch or the signals channel. Also, do join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and visit my platform forexfunda.com for markets related updates. And also, if you want to book a call with me, all the links are shared in the channel and video description. Now, look at the daily chart. See, first, let's have a look at the major pattern here. You will find drop, retracement, drop, retracement, drop, retracement. So, one thing is clear, that it is still trading in this bearish channel. Largely, this is the bearish channel here. Where is the highs of this channel? 2050, 2055 zone. Where is the reversal confirmation? Only and only if it stays above 2065. You can consider that now gold is turning bullish. Why? See, it has stayed bearish here, and if it gives a breakout out of this flag formation, it is a bullish breakout, and then 2100, 2120 is certain. So 2060, 65 zone you should wait, but that is a near long term view here. On the daily charts also, one must note that the 20 and 50 period moving averages have crossed over here. This is a bearish. And the second observation here is the base it has created at 2014 levels. Look at the stronger base it has created at 2014's first bullish candle. There was a pushback. Then second bullish candle, there was a push from upside, and then third bullish candle in making, and also body size is consistently increasing. On the upside, we have to be watchful here. See, even if you're buying at 2032, you have to watch out at 2035, 36, and then 4042. These are the two critical levels here for gold today. And if it stays above 2042, I will look forward to 2050 level. And then the next observation here is, see, it is under retracement. Look at the drop here. Drop was sharp. Retracement is great. If you look at this curvature here, you'll find it has achieved a peak here and possibility of a reversal exists. But then it has to break 2014 levels, which is going to be a critical level for the day, below which you can expect a sharper fall, which can take the prices further low. The stochastic near to overbought levels. The daily charts, MACD has just crossed over first green candle. Thus, it suggests that the possibility of a stronger green candle exists here, and the possibility for gold to stay bullish from the current levels exists strong. RSI is rising. Considering this, as long as 2014 2015 levels are respected, gold is still a buying, it's still in the buy zone, and we can look forward to 2035 36 and then 2040 42 at least, and beyond that anything is a bonus towards 2050 and higher levels. On the downside, a selling entry can be taken though at 2024 levels, but with caution that it has got greater supports at around 2020 levels, 2018 levels, first support zone, 2014 2015 the next support zone, and below which it will turn bearish towards 2010 08 zone first target, and then below that 1997. Though right now it appears it is going to stay bullish, and on the upside 2032 is a level where you can buy and expect it to move first nearby, very nearest resistance is at 2036 levels, and then 4042. If it breaks beyond 4042, certainly the bullish momentum is going to prevail towards 2050 levels. Take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver. Now on the hourly charts, if you look at silver here, see 2350, first of all 2320 2330 zone again proving out to be a resistance here. On the downside, 2320 $23 levels proving out to be a support here. Also, one must look at what it has done so far. You can see this rise here, it has achieved 2350 60 zone, retraced, and again fallen back within this channel here. I have mentioned this channel that it is just trading in the channel. Where is the support? $23 levels. Where is the resistance? 2320 2330 zone. Stochastic has been retracing. MACD has crossed over for a selling entry. RSI has dropped here a bit. Coming to 2-hour chart. Now look at 2-hour chart. See the resistance here at 2320 levels. Very strong. At the same time, on the downside, one must notice the first support, second support, and higher supports are created here. Thus, it is staying bullish so far. Higher lows are created. Stochastic looking downwards. MACD almost flat. RSI almost flat. Coming to 3-hour charts, it is taking the support from the 20 period moving average and is staying here. Thus, it is still not to be treated bearish. I will only consider this as bearish if it breaks below 2295 levels. When you see the higher prices below 2295, we can expect it to enter into a selling territory, else it could possibly bounce back. If you look at the stochastic, this is looking down. MACD is bearish here. RSI is almost flat. Coming to 4-hour chart, likewise on the 4-hour charts, you can notice this support, rise, retracement, rise, retracement. It has to break beyond 2320 levels in order to confirm the bullishness here, and then possibly it will try to move towards either lower highs towards 2340, or then if it breaks beyond 2340, I will be looking forward to 2360 this time to be breached. The stochastic looking downwards. MACD is staying bearish here. It is crossed over at the peak, first wave, second wave, and see if it converges from here, this should be considered for a reversal. RSI almost flat. Coming to daily chart. Now look at the daily charts here. See double top mirror candle here. Now these are two retracement candles, and see it is giving you higher lows. So just let it break beyond 2320 levels, which will confirm for the rise towards 2340, and staying beyond 2340 is the confirmation of a reversal here. The stochastic looking downwards. MACD is in green. RSI is flat. Considering this, a selling entry at 2295 and a buying entry at 2325 levels. Below 2295, we can expect it to move towards 2280. Remember, 2280 is the critical number. It needs to break in order to stay bearish towards 2260 levels. Else, I will not treat silver as bearish. It can potentially recover. Though right now we can see there is a double top. We can see a preceding candle, which is a slight swing candle. And thus below 2280, certainly we can expect similar size of candle, which can take the prices further lows towards 2260. chances for which appears to be less. On the upside, beyond 23.25, you can initiate a buying entry, wait for it to break beyond 23.40, and once it stays above 23.40, that is a confirmation of a reversal towards 23.60, the next milestone, and any move beyond 23.60 will take it towards $24 levels, 24.20, the next resistance zone. Take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch webinar series, Signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training related queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.